in the old YouTube world. This episode's a little different. It's the Happy Halloween edition of the Search for the Great Pumpkin. Anyway, by the time I get this format, it's not going to be Halloween anymore, but we're going to look at a autumn bronze 1968 Firebird. A friend of mine found the old Bookface Marketplace. About 3 or 4 of my friends actually found it and sent me the link. Most of all, the most important one, a friend in Pennsylvania, Lewis. He wanted me to go look at it for him. He's looking for a 68 bird to build. This one has some potential, so maybe we can work something out. Of course, anytime someone asks me to look at a car, especially a Firebird, I can't say no. It's like asking somebody on a hot summer day if they want a popsicle or a kid on a Halloween day, do you want some candy? Of course, the answer is always yes. I can't say no to these old Firebirds. So we're going to go check this thing out. I'm going to drag you guys along, get the camera. I'm going to get with Lewis and see if we can strike up a deal. But the guy says, come look at the car and make an offer. So that's what we're going to go do. Hey, made it back from the old road trip up north. Check out that 68 Firebird. We call it the Great Pumpkin just because it's Halloween. Thought that was kind of funny. Okay, anyway, besides all that, car's a great car. Rocker panels are in fantastic shape. A little bit of rust on the front driver's side, but just looks like very minimal. Quick repair. Basically needs a new floor pan. Center trunk section, quarter skins, outer fender wells, fender patches, doors are very salvageable. Trunk deck looks great. Roof, even though it's a vinyl top car, no real problems there. Surprising around the drip rail, real solid still. Couldn't get any kind of crunchy or noise. Looked at the front window channel, there's a tiny spot of rust there on the front of the dash. So really not too bad for an Indiana car. Now when it comes to the guy for selling it, he's got it listed for sale in the old Facebook marketplace, Indiana there. If you want to go look at it, check it out yourself. It is listed for sale. It says make offer. The price is negotiable, but couldn't lock down a price. Let's just say he had a pretty sizable offer while I was there. But, man, if it was my car and I really wanted to sell it, I probably would have let it go. But I think he's a little attached to this car. Had it since 1976. That's longer than I've been on the old planet Earth. Cool car, cool story. I even got some pictures here. Check these out. This car used to look pretty awesome back in the day. And, of course, with anything, it gets a little tired, needs a little love. And speaking of that, he was talking to me. I drove the old Bird there. He spotted that thing and says, man, you build these cars? I said, yep. Sure do. The problem is, I just don't have enough space. I wish I had a bigger garage. I'd build these things all day long for anybody who wanted me to help him out with it. But he's only got 2 weeks. He's going to be skipping town, and I don't know if I can make a decision that quick. I got Project LeBron's. I've got Project Baby Cakes. Got my old high school car. These are just for me. I've still got some stuff I'd like to do. But what do you think out there in the old YouTube world? Should we take on another 1968 LeBron's too? Because it's a autumn bronze car again, or do we just go ahead and start working on what I got? Or if you're interested in looking at it just the same, it is listed for sale. I'm going to forward this information to Lewis. I've got the guy's number. They're going to coordinate something. Maybe he might buy it just the same. But if nobody buys it, well, I guess we'll see how it all plays out. But it is Halloween. I'm going to get the heck out of here. I got some other things I got to do. Cut the grass, get things ready, get some decorations put up, and then, of course, finish up my Orange Mountain Dew. And then I guess I'll spend the evening chasing kids around and getting candy. So nonetheless, it's been a lot of fun checking out this car. Appreciate you following this journey, and we'll see you next time.